everyone, Glama here. Don't mind my sports bra. I'm gonna go and get on the treadmill after I make this intro. But I just wanted to make a video and show you my DIY eyelash extensions that I did myself.
My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. I just wanted to make a video and show you my DIY eyelash extensions that I did myself. I'm going to insert some footage here in a minute, and I didn't leave them in very long just because after I did it, I don't know, they felt heavy because I probably put too many in, and the glue, because it was my first time doing it, the glue felt a little scratchy or something. Like whenever I wanted to rub my eyes, I don't know, it just kind of irritated me. I wasn't crazy about it, but I do think I might give it a go another time now that I kind of have a little bit of experience with it. I'm going to try to perfect it and do it a little better. But I just thought I would insert this footage of my very first time trying to do my own eyelash extension. So okay, I'm not going to make this intro too long. I'm just going to let you go watch it, and I'll be back at the end to say goodbye. Alright, enjoy! Hey guys, Glama here. So today is going to be an impromptu video. Oh my goodness, I think months and months ago, I'm not even sure how many months, I bought these eyelashes, these individual eyelashes, and I told y'all that I would do a video on them when I get ready to use them. Well, I've been watching videos on eyelash extensions, eyebrows extensions, and stuff like that, microblading. And before going and actually trying microblading and stuff, I thought I would try these on, because these are semi-permanent. They should last between 2 to 6 weeks possibly. These right here may not last that long because they're not like a name brand like Ardell or anything like that, but at least I wouldn't have to wear false eyelashes every day with these, so maybe they'll last about 2 or 3 weeks. So I want to try them, and I thought I would try them for the first time with you guys. I am still using the Careprost. I'm not seeing very much difference though, but since these don't go directly on your lid or anything, they go on your actual lashes, I can still brush on the Careprost on my lash line, and my lashes will still grow with the Careprost, hopefully, if it's gonna grow at all with the Careprost. But I'll still be able to use the Careprost because these go on the lashes, not the skin of your lid or anything. So I want to try these until my lashes get fuller and longer with the Careprost. I don't know if they're going to though. So I'm impatient and I want to try this right now. So I guess all you need is like a dab of glue. One of these bottles is glue and one of these is the remover, so when you're ready to take them off, or you can just wait for your lashes to fall off. So what I'm learning is that your eyelashes are, well, we know this, your eyelashes are constantly, falling off, and we're growing new eyelashes. And so sometimes when you go and get lash extensions, I'm hearing some of the clients aren't happy afterwards because they feel like they all fell out. Well, what it is some of our eyelashes are on their last few days of their cycle of when they're ready to fall out. So maybe some of the eyelash extensions got glued onto the ones that were ready to fall out, and so some of them last longer on your eyelashes and some of them not as long. And it's because maybe some of the ones that your eyelash extensions got glued onto were freshly new and are ready to withstand the whole life of your eyelash, where some of them might have gotten attached to some that were already going to be ready to fall off. So I don't know if I over-explained that or not, but I think you know what I mean. So yeah, but I just figured I'll glue these to some of my eyelashes, see how I like them. I know this isn't gonna look as good as if I were doing individual ones, but what you can do is you can cut some of these and just have individual hair, so you can put the little groups of them in, and then you can cut some individual ones and glue individual ones in between. So I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. We'll see. Okay, so this says hold tight right here. So this is the glue, and this says easy off. So this is what helps you take them off if you don't want them on till they fall off. And it comes with tweezers, eyelash extension tweezers. See how pointy they are, so that they can so that it's easy to pick up each individual hair. So what I was explaining is they come in pieces like this. So they come in little groups like that with little knots on the end. But if you don't want to put just those in, what you can do is you can cut the lashes right where the knot is, and then you'll end up with just individual ones, and you can glue those in between the grouped ones. So I might do that. I'm not sure. We'll see how it looks. I'm going to put in some grouped ones first here and there and everywhere, and then maybe I'll fill them in with some individuals. I don't know yet. So you'll probably need a pair of scissors. So I'm going to get some scissors here. And this is the brand Salon Perfect. I know that the better brand would be like Ardell, but this is what I found at Walmart, I believe, for like $7 or $8 months and months and months ago. So here you see that it says short, medium, medium, and long. So the short ones are going to go like on the inner corner, and the mediums probably in the center, and the long ones over here. So it makes our eyes look bigger, and yeah. So I don't know, I'm scared, I'm nervous. So this is glue. You can see it's kind of goopy. You can see how slow that little bubble moves because it's goopy. I'm going to find something to put this on. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on this lid. It's a primer lid that is almost gone, so I'm just gonna put a little dot on top there. There we go. Whoa, I got too much. So there's a big old glob. Well, not that big, but I don't need that much, so I'm gonna close it up. Okay, so now that I've got my little glob there, I don't know if you noticed, but there's little grooves right here because you're supposed to pick up the lash close to the base where the knot is, so you can stick your pointy little tweezers in there and gently pull it off. And now that you've got them, you just barely dunk your lash in there, just the tip, just the little knot, and then you want to place it on your eye. Let's see. Okay, so this is one of the short ones, so I'm going to place that close to the inner area, and you want to fan it this way. You want to kind of, because our eyes fan that way. So let's see if I can grab it in a way where I can fan it out the right direction. So there it is. It's on my actual lash, not my skin. I don't know if you can see it, but I have it on the actual lash, not my skin. I think it's fanned out a little bit too much. Okay, maybe there, that's a good spot for it. Now I'm going to grab, I think, another short one and dunk it in the glue and try this again. Let me see, I'm not in the shot. Let me turn the camera down a little bit, because when I look down, I get out of shot. Okay, so as long as it's on an eyelash, we're good. So you see, there's one there, one there. And then once it's on an eyelash, you can kind of move it around to how you want it. Hey, this is kind of cool. For never having done it before, I think it's kind of cool. And if you want, if you're brave, you can kind of separate your lashes and kind of put them next to the eyelashes so that they look more natural. I think I like this. Okay, now I'm going to get a medium length. Wow, that's really long. Awesome. So there's that. And if they end up being too long, we can trim them. So I'm going to stick with medium for now. Let's get some more in here. Here. And the closer you put them together, the fuller they're going to look, of course. There we go. So there's that. I think I'm going to try some long ones now on the outer corner, and then I'll start filling them in between these areas. So here's a long one now, and I'm going to put it way over here on the outer corner. And of course these we want to fan out this way, because that's the way our lashes grow. There's that. And now I'm just going to fill them in. Okay, so here's after and here's before. So I've done my right eye, and yeah, I like it. I am not perfect at it yet, and I might trim them a little bit, and now I'm gonna go on and do my left eye. But this is what individual eyelashes look like, and it should last a few weeks. I'll let you know how long it lasts. And right now the only thing I have on my face is foundation, concealer, and my eyebrows, and some lip gloss. I don't have eyeshadow or anything on because I wanted to be able to see the difference of the lengths, so I didn't put any eyeshadow or eyeliner or anything. So yeah, here we are. Before and after. So I went in through some pencil eyeliner on just to see kind of sort of what it would look like with full eye makeup on, even though I haven't done any eyeshadow. This is what my eye kind of sort of will look like. So yay! Just think, I can get up in the morning and have eyelashes like this. Yay! This was my first time ever doing it. I noticed some imperfections. I started with this eye, so I was a little bit too liberal with the eyelash extensions on this one, and then I didn't have enough for this eye, but I trimmed them down a little bit so that they would look a little bit more even. But for my first time, I think they came out okay, pretty decent. So I'm gonna wake up in the morning and have beautiful, long, luscious eyelashes right off the bat. Even though the rest of me might look bad, my eyelashes are gonna look pretty decent. So I think they look pretty good, right? I know they're not even, but next time I will perfect it and get them better. Alright guys, so as you saw there, one side had way more eyelashes than the other because I went kind of eyelash happy on that first eye because I didn't realize I was going to run out. But anyway, I think they turned out well for my very first time. It's just that the glue kind of irritated me a little bit, like I said in the beginning. Not my eye, but just, I don't know, just it said you had to sleep on your back and stuff because if you slept like this, they're going to get all crooked. I thought, I don't know if I want to deal with all that. And when I would try to rub my eye, the glue would kind of scratch a little bit, scratch my bottom area a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I put too much glue because it was my first time. So I do want to give it one more try and maybe not be so eyelash happy and put so many in and dunk it in the glue so many times. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you in case you're thinking of trying your own DIY eyelash extensions. I say give it a try. Just you got to work kind of quick with the glue and don't put too many on the first eyelash. Just kind of put them sporadically, then do them on this eye and then start filling them in. That way they're balanced. So you're not crazy like me and go all heavy on one eye. Alrighty guys, I hope this did help and let me know down below if you've tried this particular product and let me know how it went with you. And so yeah, I'm gonna go and jump on the treadmill now. So don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye! Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.